We all know that there is economics and social issues, there is finance and management, and then there is descriptive English.
Yes, sir.
Right. So descriptive writing has also been included in ESI as well as FM.
Right.
Now, Srinjoy, again, no civil services background, no formal MBA background or finance background. So
Yes,
how easy or moderate or difficult it was to prepare finance and management? Let's start from that first.
To be honest, for finance and management, I holistically followed EduTap. I read nothing else.
Okay.
I read the static parts from finance and management. I think they have the best quality material in the market. For the current affairs also, I followed their monthly magazines.
Okay.
And other than that, there are various sections in the EduTap like latest RBI notifications in this thing. So that thing I blindly followed, finance and management. And about the descriptive part, as I already told that I needed the input from EduTap, and I had the other skills to write. So basically, I combined those two things. I read all the documents that EduTap has given regarding that, and after that, I have also practiced questions for which I used to send my mock answers to Mr. Anchit Garg, and he used to reply with great patience so many times. Okay, so that for finance and management, starting from objective to descriptive, everything I have followed EduTap.
Okay.
So this is my suggestion to fellow aspirants, that in case someone is working candidate, if you have time to read books, then go. But I didn't have time to read books. If you do not have time to read books, then read EduTap.